So you've come to the end of this course. And this course has involved a bunch of modules that have been focused on better understanding the state capability gaps that we see in development, and also thinking about a way in which we can build better capability in the future. We've looked at capability traps, we've looked at successful strategies for continual failure, also known as isomorphism. We've looked at premature load bearing. We thought a little bit about why these limits are very specific in development, and we got to the idea of looking at different types of problems and different types of challenges and thinking about problems that are more logistical and problems that are less logistical. We then said, well, if you're dealing with a less logistical problem and it involves lots of people and it's very complex, there's lots of transaction intensity, you probably don't want to adopt a very standard engineering style approach to deal with it. You want to move towards something like PDIA. You've thought a little bit about the opening stages in PDIA where you construct a problem for people to pay attention to, and then you deconstruct that problem so that you can identify potential entry points for change. Now, this isn't the whole story about PDIA, and you will probably be thinking, well, what do we do now? What do we do? We've identified some areas where we know that we have problems. We've identified some areas where we think we could think about solutions. Well, watch this space, because future courses are going to say, how do we move past this? How do we sequence our interventions, and then how do we actually go and look for solutions in a more experimental way than we have before? Thank you.